Hello and welcome to Legends Realty. I'm Ron, and I'm thrilled to introduce you to our exceptional property management services. At Legends Realty, we're dedicated to helping investors like you manage and grow your property portfolio with ease and confidence. So together in this video, we'll walk you through the comprehensive services we offer, designed to make your life as a property owner more rewarding and stress-free. From marketing and advertising to tenant screening and maintenance, we've got you covered. All right, so let's dive right in. At Legends Realty, we believe in starting off on the right foot. That's why we prefer to meet with you in person if possible to view your property, discuss any concerns, and complete a thorough property evaluation. We'll also provide you with a free rental analysis to help determine the appropriate lease rate for your property. We'll even have a business developer schedule a time to view your property. We want to ensure we're maximizing your rental income. We develop high-quality marketing and advertising campaigns that utilize the latest technology and online resources to attract prospective tenants. You see, our ads are individually designed for each property to create a professional look and highlight the special features of your property. In addition, our marketing strategy is nationwide. When we enter your property into the Orlando Multiple Listing Service, or MLS, over 10,000 realtors can see your home. We also post your listing online with photos, maps, and all the relevant property details. All of our listings are also available to lease locator companies in Florida. Referrals from current and past tenants and other agents we work with also provide us with a really good pool of potential tenants. Also, proper pricing of your rental home makes a big difference in the marketing strategy. Even the best home out there will have a hard time renting if it's overpriced. We do our research and price your home according to the current market. And finally, we make sure your house is ready to show. Our attention to details such as curb appeal and interior cleanliness ensures your home is rented quickly to a high-quality tenant. You won't find another property management company out there that is more available to show properties. We have staff available to answer the phone and schedule showings on the weekends, holidays, and evening hours, which is when renters are looking. Our goal is to make sure you have a low vacancy rate. We typically get most properties rented within 2 to 5 weeks on average. Our leasing consultants send weekly email communication updates while property is vacant. Thorough tenant screening is critical to a landlord's success, and we do a number of things to screen our tenants. In our residential verification, we talk to past landlords and ask detailed, open-ended questions about the tenant. When a private individual instead of a management company is listed as a previous or current landlord, we do a property tax search to confirm we're talking to the person who actually owns the property. This stops people from trying to commit fraud, and our extra level of scrutiny has saved our owners from some potentially really bad tenant situations. We also analyze credit reports to get an accurate financial picture and evaluate a tenant's ability to meet their obligations. Applicants must meet our established credit standards. We pull driver's license records to check previous addresses, and we do that because if an applicant says they've been living at one address for 3 years, but we find they renewed their driver's license at a different address a year ago, well, we wonder what they're trying to hide. We also do employment and income verification, which is a big important part of our screening process. We contact employers to verify employment and their income. And it's required that a tenant earns at least 3 times the monthly rent in order to qualify. And we ask them for pay stubs to document the income. Now, if someone is self-employed or retired, we can verify income in other ways. Then a thorough background check is done, and that's critical in the tenant selection process. We look for bankruptcy, foreclosures, evictions, repossessions, convictions. Finally, we conduct additional searches that reveal any criminal background or other red flags like check writing ability and Social Security fraud alerts and so much more. Another important factor in tenant selection is we don't let tenants move in with pets unless our property owners allow it. Lots of potential tenants have pets, right? So if you decide to allow them, we protect your property by limiting the breeds we'll accept, as well as the quantity and the size of the animals. Pet owners are subject to extra screening and lease addenda. To ease your stress, we handle all the necessary paperwork associated with the leasing of your property, and we also ensure compliance with applicable local, state, and federal laws. Our lease is attorney-drawn and is updated and reviewed by an attorney regularly. We enforce all the terms of the lease, including timely rent collection and the tenant's responsibilities to maintain the property. The other thing is we keep our relationship strictly professional and allow our property manager to enforce our lease. This will help us be more successful landlords. If rent begins to come in late or not at all, we don't want the tenant to get away with it. Even if we're emotionally moved by the tenant situation, we need to think about our property as an income-producing business. When it comes for the tenant to move out, well, we make that process a breeze. We set high expectations for our tenants from the beginning of the lease period. Tenants are supplied with written move-out procedures to follow and are held accountable for any repairs or cleaning that's necessary when they vacate the property. You see, our move-out process is extensive and includes a digital video recording of the property. And if there ever is an eviction, we pay for the cost of an eviction if the tenant we procured defaults on the payment of the rent. Now let's talk about maintaining your property. You see, we have skilled, licensed, and insured tradesmen and suppliers available to service your property's needs. With our purchasing power, we get high-quality service at very reasonable rates. And our vendors are loyal, trustworthy, and quick to respond. Also, all receipts for services are provided with the owner's statement, and we always email communications about updates of repairs and maintenance. In addition, we have scheduled property reviews, which are really important. You see, our maintenance staff visits the property on a regular basis to perform these biannual property reviews. The visits include a full walkthrough of the interior and exterior of the property, along with digital pictures and a written report. Frequent visits help to discover tenant damage or neglect, maintenance concerns, unauthorized pets, over-occupancy issues, etc., early in the term of the lease. Now let's talk about state-of-the-art technology. We incorporate the most advanced technology available in the business. Paperless office, electronic payments and rent collection via ACH, industry-leading web-based management and accounting program, online and tenant online web portals, online document signing and storage, electronic statements and reporting, bank lockbox service, eFax, VoIP phone system, digital video recording, online and website advertising, and search engine placement. We're always looking for new and innovative ways that will better serve our clients. Now it's time to talk about financials and reporting. You see, detailed accounting for all income and expenses for your property is provided on a monthly basis. The timely disbursement of funds to owners is a high priority for us. We utilize the industry's most advanced property management and accounting program to accomplish this. This program also allows owners to access the system online and obtain information through the online owner portal. Copies of all lease documents, accounting statements, work orders, receipts, and vendor invoices are stored and available for viewing in the owner portal at any time. And at the end of the year, we supply owners with annual statements categorizing all income and expenses for the property and issue a 1099 miscellaneous for tax purposes. How does Legends Realty make sure that funds are collected and given out correctly, and how does the company's bookkeeping system follow the rules set by the Florida Real Estate Commission? Well, when you sign a management agreement with Legends Realty, we create an account for you and the property. We use special software designed for property management and accurate record keeping. This software follows all of the rules set by the Florida Real Estate Commission. Okay, next question. How does Legends Realty handle property owners' money? And what steps are taken to make sure they follow the Florida Real Estate Commission's rules? Well, at Legends Realty, we keep your account in a trust fund that is required by the state of Florida. This account doesn't earn interest. We keep each owner's funds separate in the trust account and don't mix them with the broker's money. This is all done according to the Florida Real Estate Commission's rules. Next question. How can I see my monthly statements, and what should I do if I have trouble understanding them? At Legends Realty, what we do is we send monthly statements to owners through an online portal. You'll get an email reminder each month. If you have any problems reading your monthly statement, well, just contact your management team and we'll be happy to help and answer any questions you might have. Next question. When and how does Legends Realty send available funds to property owners, and what things can affect when the money is sent? That's a great question. Legends Realty sends available funds to owners on the 10th of each month, unless that day is a Saturday, Sunday, or holiday, in which case we process the payments on the following Tuesday. And you can always find a calendar of the scheduled payout dates on our website. We don't send out funds on weekends or holidays. We also don't issue owner checks unless there's enough money in the owner's account. So it's very important that we post rents, pay vendors, and send out funds for your account correctly. That's why we stick to this schedule to make sure we can take care of every owner's account properly. Now, when it comes to sending owners funds, we can do that in two ways. First, a company check sent directly to the owner with their monthly statement, or two, we can also send a direct deposit via ACH. The money is sent directly into the owner's bank account. Legends Realty mails monthly statements after the money is sent, and if you would like to use ACH, there's a form with all of the information you need to start that process. Okay, so the next financial related question is, what are Legends Realty's responsibility when it comes to 1099 forms for property owners and vendors at the end of each year? And what information should owners give to make sure the reporting is correct? Well, at the end of each year, Legends Realty has to file 1099 forms for any income over $600. This amount is for the total income received, not the yearly total of owner disbursements. The Internal Revenue Service decides the total income received requirement. Security deposits are not included in this amount. Now, in terms of what we need, you need to give us the correct Social Security and/or tax ID information so the 1099 is accurate. Legends Realty will send the 1099 for the rent by January 31st for the previous tax year. Now, if there are any changes in your tax information, like a new trust or address, please let us know using the Owner Change of Information form. And if you need another change form, just contact us. Legends Realty also issues 1099s for payments to vendors for work over $600. That means owners do not have to issue 1099s for work that was completed and paid through the Legends Realty trust account. Owners are responsible for issuing 1099s to any vendor paid through their owner's personal account. And the last statement of the year will show the total amount for income and expenses that happen throughout the year, like management fees, leasing fees, landscaping, utilities, repairs, and maintenance. Now, the amounts won't include any funds issued through the owner's personal account. Owners can give their last statement to their tax preparer along with other information for income tax reporting. Legends Realty doesn't issue statements to the owner's tax preparers. A copy of the owner's 1099 and cash flow report will be available in the owner's online portal. As members of the National Association of Realtors, Legends Realty's team of real estate agents, they're held to the highest standards of professionalism and ethics in the industry. This commitment to excellence extends to the way we handle your property. We believe in setting high standards from the start by ensuring that your property is in the best possible condition before putting it on the market. You see, by presenting a well-maintained home with no scratched flooring, broken appliances, or chipped paint, we not only attract more interest from potential renters, but also set the expectation for how the property should be maintained throughout the lease. This attention to detail sends a clear message to tenants that both Legends Realty and the property owner care about the home and expect it to be treated with respect. Now let's talk about our fees. At Legends Realty, we understand that every property owner has unique needs and preferences when it comes to managing their investment. And that's why we offer a range of management options designed to cater to your specific requirements. Our fees are competitive and transparent, ensuring that you receive the best value for your money. Our most popular and recommended option is the full service management agreement. with this comprehensive package, we charge a monthly management fee of 8% or $100, whichever is greater, of the collected rent. Additionally, there is a one-time fee of 50% of the contracted rent, which is collected once we successfully secure a qualified tenant for your property. And this fee is deducted from the first month's collected rent, making the process seamless and convenient for you. Now, for local owners who prefer a more hands-on approach to managing their property but still require assistance with marketing and securing a qualified tenant, we offer the lease-only agreement. This option entails a one-time fee equal to one full month's rent, which is collected once we successfully secure a tenant. The fee is also deducted from the first month's collected rent. In addition, for investors with 4 or more properties, we provide the Investor Service Package, which includes our full-service management. The price for this package will be determined during the listing appointment, allowing us to really tailor our services to your specific portfolio and requirements. At Legends Realty, we're committed to providing exceptional property management services that cater to your unique needs and expectations. Our team of experienced professionals, combined with our competitive fees and flexible management options, ensures that you receive the best possible support and value for your investment. So whether you opt for our full-service management agreement, lease-only agreement, or investor service package, you can trust that your property is in very capable hands. We look forward to working with you and helping you maximize the potential of your real estate investment. Now, if you have any questions at all or would like to schedule a consultation, please don't hesitate to reach out to us. I want to thank you again for considering Legends Realty for your property management needs. We're here to make your real estate investment journey a success. Have a great day.